Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to check last app used on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that we need to scroll down and click screen time. After that, click see all apps and website activity. And here you can check last app used on iPhone. For example, this was TikTok. You also can click show categories, and here you can see most used categories. And that's all. This is very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.